What if success is not just about talent and hard work? What if timing, environment, opportunities, and hidden advantages play a much bigger role than most people realize? And what if understanding these patterns could completely change how you approach your own life and goals? In this video, I'm sharing key ideas and personal reflections from Outliers by Malcolm Gladwell. This fascinating book explores why some people achieve extraordinary success and reveals that success is often influenced by factors far beyond natural talent alone. The central message of this book is powerful. Extraordinary success is rarely achieved completely alone. Many successful people benefit from opportunities, timing, environment, cultural influences, support systems, and consistent practice. Talent matters, but opportunity and preparation matter too. One of the most famous ideas from the book is the 10,000-hour rule. Mastery often comes through thousands of hours of focused practice. Great performers usually spend years developing their skills before reaching high levels of success. Success is built gradually through repetition and effort. The book shows that successful people often have unique opportunities that help them grow. Timing and access can shape success significantly. For example, being in the right environment, meeting the right mentors, or having early exposure to opportunities. Your surroundings strongly influence your growth. Family, culture, education, and community affect confidence, habits, and opportunities. Your environment can either strengthen or limit your potential. The book challenges a common belief. Hard work matters, but success also depends on opportunity and timing. This idea can create more compassion and awareness. Instead of judging yourself harshly, understand that life circumstances influence outcomes too. The book also explores how cultural habits and communication styles influence performance and decision-making. Small behaviors and learned habits can shape big outcomes. One major lesson from the book is this: successful people are not simply born different. Success often comes from preparation, opportunity, persistence, support, and consistent effort over time. One lesson I personally took from this book is this: many people underestimate how important environment and opportunity are, while overestimating natural talent. Outliers reminds us, success is rarely a solo journey. Talent matters, but so do opportunity, environment, timing, and persistent effort. If this message resonated with you, comment "Keep Building" below as a reminder that growth takes time and consistency. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs encouragement to keep developing their potential today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.